So I have a full-time job, a life, 4 different hobbies, and I do not have 10 hours a week to be editing videos. So how am I editing videos and getting videos out weekly then? It's pretty simple. I use Descript to help me edit videos, and I cut my time down drastically. I want to show you guys today in this video how I use Descript to incredibly enhance the amount of time that I have during the week to do other things besides editing videos. Let's get into it. Okay, so first thing you need to do is open up Descript, obviously, and then you're going to upload a video. Once you do that, on the left side, it's going to give you a transcript of the entire video. It goes through your video and it writes out everything you said. So this is why I enjoy this app so much, because it's like, even if you knew only how to like edit Microsoft Word documents, then you can edit videos. It's as simple as that. So over on the right side, you hit AI tools. Then what you're going to do is remove filler words. All you're going to do is click that button, and then guess what's going to happen? You're going to remove all the filler words. But before we do that, I want you guys to see this video and how it sounds before I do all these real quick, real simple edits on it. So this is a real quick, short little video. We're going to play it. Okay, there we go. Got it. Descript has so many great tools and features that you can use. And I've been using it for a while now, and I really enjoy all these features. And one of my favorite features is actually Overlord, which is its own AI bot that you can use. Okay, so as you saw there, it's a very choppy video. There's a pause in the very beginning, and I even say something that's not related to the video that I'll probably want to crop out. So instead of how it used to be old school wise, was you'd go through the video and listen for the edits and try and cut and blah, 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 blah. Look how easy this is, as we already showed you. So first thing I'm going to do is remove filler words. I'm going to press this. All right, I'm going to hit find all filler words. So it found all the filler words, and then I'm just going to hit remove all. Done. Just did that. So there we go. Already my video has shortened up and cleaned up a little bit, but there's more. Let's go back to AI tools. And then we're also going to remove, or we're going to shorten the word gaps. So we're going to shorten the word gaps, hit find all the word gaps. It went through and found, as you saw here, a bunch of different word gaps where there was 1.2 seconds in between. On the left side over here, you can pick if you only want 1 second gaps or half second gaps, you can pick the maximum amount of space, of dead space when you're not talking. I'll keep it at 0.5 personally. It depends on the video that I'm doing though, but feel free to adjust that to how you're liking. And then you just hit shorten all. Okay. So there we go. That's already dropped down a lot too. So then it's something as simple as, let's go over here. And in the beginning, I go, okay, there we go. Got it. I can literally highlight that part that I don't want in there. Then I'm just going to hit delete, and it took it out. It's as simple as that. I really, really enjoy this editing program. Not the best face for me right there, but anyway. All right, so now we're gonna back. Let's watch this video again, and look how fast, literally in real time, I just edited this quick little video for you. Look how fast and how much better this video is gonna sound now. Descript has so many great tools and features that you can use. I've been using it for a while now, and I really enjoy all these features. And one of my favorite features is actually Overlord, which is its own AI bot that you can use. Okay, way better. It's not perfect. I still go back and I adjust some parts of it to it, obviously, but I just wanted to show you guys how quick and easy it is to edit it, where that would have taken me probably 45 minutes to an hour to make those edits before. So if you guys have any questions on any of that, I'll be putting more Descript videos help for you guys out there. Feel free to drop down below any comments you guys have or questions that you guys have, and I'll see you guys in the next video.